Good morning, student. Welcome back to my class 12. Minus and cofactors. Today's topic: minus and cofactors. Minus. The definition of minus: minus of an element ij of elements in the determinant object by deleting its ith or row and jth column, in which the element ij lies. Minor of an element ij is denoted by this. So minor is denoted by capital M ij. Okay. Delete ith row and jth column. Yes. So change n to n minus 1 order. Can you suppose and find the minus of question number 1 and solve this bad question. Minus, then minus ij, this equal to ij row column and this 2 by 2 matrix. Clear? And cofactor minus 1 raised to I plus j, minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. You see? So firstly find minor factor and product of minor factor and minus 1 raised to I plus j. This is called a cofactor. So first question number first part 2 minus 4 0 3. Minus and cofactors of each of the following determinants is determinant. So find minus. This is a11, a11, a12, a21 and 222. Clear? So minus of a11 means of a11 equal to m11. Here first row and first column, a22, this equal to this row equal to 3, right? And a12, m12 first row and second column, this is 0. Okay. m21, this is m21, 2 row on first column, the minus 1. Clear? And m22 equal to 2 row 2 column equal to 2, right? 2 row 2 column, this is a 2. And cofactors is denoted by capital Ij, right? A11, this is a cofactor, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, this minus m11, okay, minus 1 raised to plus over this 3, and a12, this minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, m12, yes, value minus 1 into m12 equal to 0, that is equal to 0. A21, this is a minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, m21, minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4. A22, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, m22, this plus 1 into m22 into 2. This is a cofactors. Okay, these are minors. Okay, can you solve this type of question? And all this type question. Question number 2. Taking second part first part. First is identity, the second part. second part. Determinant 10435 minus 1 0 1 2. Find minus. To find minus M11 minus left side denoted by capital M11. First row, first column. First row, first column cancel. Okay. M11 means first row cancel. First row, first column cancel. 5 minus 1, 1 and 2. This is equal to solve 5 to the 10 minus plus 1 equal to 11. Okay. Here cofactor. E11. This minus 1 is to 2 and into 11 equal to 11. Right? M12. First row, second column. 3 minus 1, 0, 2. This equal to 6 minus plus 0. This is a 6. So this A12. This is minus 1 into 6 equal to minus 6. This is equal to minus 1 plus I plus j into Mij. Right? So M13. One row, third column. 3 5 0 1. Solve determinant. 3 1 ja 3 minus 0 equal to 3. A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into 3, that is plus 3. Even number, odd number. Even number of this is plus 1. A21, sorry, M21. M2 row, first column 2 this 0 4. This 1 2. This equal to 0 minus 4 1 ja 4 equal to minus 2. A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 1 to minus 4 plus 4. Yeah. So that M22 2 row 2 column 1402 1402. This solution 2 1 ja 2 minus 0 equal to 2. A22 minus 1 raised to 4, 2 plus 2 4 into 2, that is 2 into 1 2 2 3 2 1 2 2 2 3. M23 means 2 row third column 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is 1 minus 0 equal to 1. A23 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1. Right? Minus 1 M31 third row first column 0 4 5 minus 1. This equal to 5 4 0 minus 20 and A31 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 multiply minus 20. This equal to minus plus minus 20. Okay, minus 20. M32 is odd number. M32 3 row second column 1 4 3 minus 4 4 3 minus 1 Okay, so minus 1 minus 3 4s are 12 equal to minus 13. A32 equal to minus 1 raised to 5 into minus 13. This is also minus. Minus 1 into minus 30 equal to plus 30. M33. Okay. M33. Third row, third column. 1035. 5 minus 0 equal to 5. Cofactor of 3 3. This equal to minus 1 3 plus 3 into 5 equal to 5. Okay, these are cofactor and minus. Clear? This type of. And question number 3. Question number 3. Using cofactors of elements of the second row, evaluate delta. Evaluate second row. Second row of delta equal to 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 2 3. So evaluate second row. The first cofactor A 2 1 is A2. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 3. Okay, and 2 and this 3 8 3 8 2 3. Okay, plus and sorry, this is already fine. This equal to minus 1 raised to this minus 1 into this 3 3s are 9 minus 16 equal to minus, okay, minus 7. This is plus 7. A 2 2. This equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. 2 and this 2 row and 2 column. 2 row 2 column 5 8. 2 row 2 column 5 8 1 3. Minus 2 2 plus 1 into 15 minus 8. This equal to 15 minus 8 7. And A 2 3 minus 1 raised to 5. This 2 row 3 column 2 row 3 2 3 1 5 8 5 3 1 2. This minus 1 value 5 2s are 10 minus 3 equal to minus 1 into 5 minus 3 7 equal to minus 7. Okay, so evaluation of delta by second row. This equal to A 2 2 plus A 2 1 A 2 2 plus A 2 3, right? A 2 1 A 2 2 and A 2 3. This is value of the minus 7. So evaluate this A 2 1 A 2 2 and A 2 3. A 2 1 cofactor A 2 1 element A 2 2 and cofactor 2 2 plus element 2 3 and cofactor 2 3. Okay, element 2 and cofactor 7 plus element 0 cofactor minus 7 plus 7 plus element 1 and cofactor 7 is 14. This 0 plus 7, minus this is also minus, this is also minus. Okay, so 14 plus 0 minus 7 equal to plus 7. Okay, answer. Okay, and question number 4 you can solve about this type question. Okay, so fine. Okay, can you solve this type question using factor element of third column, this third column method. Okay, thank you. and if any doubt you can ask to me. Okay.